wonder if
It's
it's
a kid's praise.
for me.
It's a kid's praise. Alright, we can listen.
How's that?
That's
Jeez.
a kid's praise.
Jen,
That's
you're
it,
done.
okay.
Holy cow! A piece of cake? Ice cream?
Oh,
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a ton left. Oh, man.
That's good.
Yeah.
Tell everybody.
That's it. You better say your thank yous, Jen. You did really good. Holy.
Not good, Jen.
Tell everybody thank you.
Thank you. Good thing everybody put the presents in bags.
That's a nice gift right there, wasn't it, Jen?
I want to push a can of pizza.
Push the can. This one's okay.
Can we go back out?
Oh.
Go back out.
Jenny, better say goodbye to Liz, though.
Thanks for listening.
Jennifer, no, come back here. And thank her for coming, because she did.
Bye tomorrow.
That was fun.
Happy birthday.
Thanks for coming, Elizabeth.